little tiny thing here that came with the kit. And I thought it went right here. It didn't really fit at first, so I wasn't really messing with it too hard. But this guy on the video took 2 screwdrivers and kind of forced it on there. So I guess that's what I'm about to try to do. So I got 2 flat heads. One of them's magnetized, thank God. Otherwise this thing would have been gone a long time ago. So I'm assuming the reason why he's doing this is because maybe it gives some extra anchorage to the fuel filter, maybe. I don't really see where it helps. But then again, I'm not inside the fuel tank looking. So, yeah.